Jenny is a friend of mine I grew up with. We've been through a lot together. She's the one who makes me angry a lot. But she's also a person I need in my life. Hi everyone! Welcome to SandJ English. We have a challenging topic for today. Relative clauses. First, let me talk about relative pronouns. Relative pronouns in this lesson are who, which, that. We use who for people and which for things. That can be used for people and things. These relative pronouns put two sentences together. We have two sentences. I have a sister. She is a model. Now we'll use who to connect these sentences. I have a sister who is a model. The part of the sentence which starts with who, which, or that is called relative clause. Relative clause describes or provides information about a noun. There are two types of relative clauses: subject relative clauses and object relative clauses. Let's look at them. Subject relative clauses. Who, which, and that are the subject of the relative clauses. We have two sentences. Carla is an interesting woman. She lives next door. Now, subject of the second sentence, she, turns into who. Carla is an interesting woman who lives next door. We can also use that in this sentence. Let's look at a different example. We bought a house. It is 200 years old. Again, it turns into which or that. We bought a house which is 200 years old. In subject relative clauses, relative pronouns must be always used. We cannot drop them. Object relative clauses. Who, which, and that are the object of the relative clauses. In this case, we can drop relative pronouns if we want to. John is a good guy. I can trust him. Him is an object which turns into who or that. John is a good guy who I can trust. Or I can drop it. John is a good guy I can trust. Here's another example. I went to the restaurant. Lucy recommended it. I went to the restaurant which Lucy recommended. Let's drop it. I went to the restaurant Lucy recommended. Have you seen the travel brochures that I brought yesterday? No. Where are you going? To Brazil! I want to visit the guy who I met at the beach this summer. Have you seen the travel brochures that I brought yesterday? No. Where are you going? To Brazil. I want to visit the guy who I met this summer. Now it's your turn. I have an activity for you. Use who, which, or that to connect two sentences. You can drop relative pronouns in some cases. Let's practice. I have a good friend. She works at Disneyland. I have a good friend who, that, works at Disneyland. I saw a movie last night. It made me cry. I saw a movie last night which, that, made me cry. Erin has a new friend. She met him in her Spanish class. Erin has a new friend who, that, she met in her Spanish class. We can drop who or that in this case. Erin has a new friend she met in her Spanish class. Have you seen my ring? I bought it last week. Have you seen my ring? Which, that, I bought last week. In this case, we can also drop which or that. Have you seen my ring I bought last week? Hey, let's play Guess Who? Okay. She's a woman I saw today. She is an athlete who many people love and admire. She is the one who made a big show at the US Open. I know, Serena. No, I mean the winner, Naomi Osaka. Right, everyone's talking about her now. Oh, you saw her today? Where? Why didn't you take me with you? Bye. Thanks for watching, everyone. Are you ready for some more practice?